The Leak Mound Interpretive Trail is sponsored by the Federal Highway Administration, the Georgia Department of Transportation, and the University of West Georgia.
Earlier we were talking about some of the potential problems that we have to deal with. One of the main problems being heavy rains and the damage that does. And in the part of, we're in central Georgia here where the soils are sandier. And so with sandy soils, they're not as stable as soil that has more clay in it. So one of the problems, of course, is when we have the excavation blocks behind us, we need to maintain the straight walls so we can accurately map and record everything we've done. You saw on the other active excavation block how we take great care in covering the walls with plastic sheeting to protect them from the damages of rain and runoff. Here behind me is an excavation block. Again, all of this was dug by hand, but we finished it and we pulled the plastic sheeting off to use on other parts of the site. And since then we've had some rains, not particularly heavy rains, but we've had some rains, but even those light and moderate rains, as you can see, has caused considerable damage. We have sections of each one of these walls that have completely slumped into the hole, and we have about 6 inches of standing water. So you've seen earlier how we control damage. This is a good example of what happens when you don't control the damage and the potential that we have to work for. You know, if we don't take the time to protect the walls, this could be the consequences of not taking that action.